Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of SAP Datasphere's key concepts, spaces. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what spaces are, how they work, and why they are important as part of SAP Datasphere. In simple terms, spaces in SAP Datasphere are a secure virtual work environment. Spaces provide an isolated and organized way to manage your data, resources, and allow for collaboration across teams. Think of a space as a controlled environment designed to meet specific project or business requirements. Some of the key characteristics for spaces are isolation, resource management, connections, user access control, and the ability to share objects. So let's start with the isolation part. Spaces provide complete isolation for metadata objects, such as a model, and resources, ensuring that projects or teams can work independently without interference. For resource management, spaces allow you to define storage quotas, control the resource usage, and assign workload class priorities, ensuring efficient resource allocations. On the connection part, each space maintains its own source system connections and, for example, a common time dimension. A very important part of SAP Datasphere Spaces is the user access control. User access can be managed using scoped roles, providing granular control over who can view, edit, or share data within the space. And last but not least, spaces enable sharing of objects with other spaces. A great example for the sharing part would be to have a central space set up for master data definitions, which then can be shared with other spaces and models inside of those. From a lifecycle management perspective, it's important to recognize that the recommended approach for your development and QA landscape would be to leverage multiple SAP Datasphere tenants. That's because the standard lifecycle management from SAP Datasphere allows only to move objects between tenants, not between spaces. In case you decide to go with the different spaces in the same tenant as the setup, please note that you then have to use either the manual import and export of objects in form of a JSON file, or as an alternative, you can use the command line interface and automate those tasks. To sum it up, spaces are a powerful way to secure, manage, and collaborate on your data within SAP Datasphere. They bring structure, control, and flexibility to your data environment. In the next video, we will walk you through the hands-on process of creating and configuring a space in SAP Datasphere. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and I simply want to say thank you for watching, and I hope we will see you in the next video.